What's up everybody? Welcome to the Phase Reviews YouTube channel. My name is Jordan, and if you are new here, thank you for joining us, and if you are a subscriber, welcome back. Today on the table, I have another pair of earbuds from Easy Ear. These are the X12, and these are very different from the last pair that I looked at before, but no less impressive. They have similar features to other earbuds I've reviewed in the past, and they're getting added to the lineup of potential candidates for best wireless earbuds under $50. I've got a lot of entrants in that category, and today we're going to see what makes these different, what stands out to me, what I would change, and I'll give you the lowdown about what's included in the box, how to get set up, and my thoughts as to the sound quality. So before we dive in, if you're not a subscriber, hopefully I can earn it by the end of this video, but let's not waste any more time talking about that, and let's take a look at these X12 from Easy Ear. So first things first, these come packaged very similar to the other earbuds, the Q70Y that I looked at last time. I like the packaging. Looks like something from a store. It's well thought out. You've got all your features and your disclaimers there on the back. Nice full color picture on the front. And if you've never dealt with this company before and you open up the box and see these, you're going to be impressed with what you see. So we can take that slip cover off. Just like the last pair, we have a nice frosted piece of plastic here covering up the earbuds themselves. So if I take that out, you have a little plastic case holding the manual, which is kind of just a page of basic instructions. Luckily, like all true wireless earbuds, they are a piece of cake to set up. Turn them on, select them on your phone, you're good to go. Pulling them out of the box, you'll notice these ones have a frosted kind of dark gray cover here. You can see the earbuds through it, and the case is a lot bigger. This is a much heftier case, which on the plus side gives you more battery life. On the downside, not as portable and a little heavier and bulkier. So if portability is your main concern, the other earbuds from Easy Ear might be a better option. But these ones, because they have such a big case, they have a feature that the others didn't have, which would be a battery readout. Oh, stay up there. So you can see 89% battery right there. If it's flickering, that's just the the shutter rate on the camera, and it doesn't actually flicker on these in real life. Let me pull the earbud out and put it back in so we can see that. There you go, there's that battery life again, 89%. The earbuds themselves, when you slot them into the case, light up to show that they're charging. They're already full right now, so it doesn't really matter. And the case closes nice. It's not a magnetic closure, so it's not as like clicky as the other cases I've had, which is kind of a downside. This feels a little bit cheap, but on the whole, it's very hefty and feels pretty solid. It also has a USB port on the bottom, and that's not a USB in, that's a USB out. So this can kind of function as a battery pack for your phone. If you're in a pinch and your phone's about to die, and you have no other source of power, you could charge it off of your headphone case, which is pretty dang unique and cool. There's the USB in. Unlike the other pair, this is just a mini USB or micro USB. It's not a USB-C. So differences. I don't know why they changed things up with these, but they have some things that are cool and some things that I wish were different. But that's just how it goes. The earbuds themselves, while the case is bigger, the earbuds are actually smaller than the Q70Y. They're the very minimalistic in-ear type. You just kind of put them in and twist. And like the other pair, Easy Ear produces some very comfortable earbuds. These kind of just disappear in my ear. They produce a really great seal for passive noise cancellation. Once you've got them in, if you've got music playing, you're not going to hear other people talking very well. So keep that in mind if you go like running or something like that, or driving. You probably shouldn't wear these. They look good in the ear. They feel secure. I've ran with them. They don't feel like they're going to fall out. These ones are rated for water resistance. You've got an IPX7, so plenty good for splashes, sweat, rain, what have you. Don't submerge them, but other than that, you should be good to go. So here's how both go in the ears. Hopefully they don't start playing music. It's pairing right now to my phone. Oh, there it goes. Don't start playing music. All right. And the setup process, just like the other pair I got from Easy Ear, is very simple, and I've had no issues losing connection, disconnecting one earbud from the other, any lag with videos. They do really well in the electronics department. Now, we'll talk about sound quality. We kind of hit all of the important specs. Sound quality on these is not as good as the Q70Y. I think the trade-off in sound quality is that you get the bigger case and the battery readout. The bass response is much less than the Q70Ys, which is interesting considering those were in a much smaller format. The bass response on these is probably like right below optimal. It's not even really balanced. It's just a little bit less than I'd like. If you are someone that doesn't like overwhelming bass, these would be for you. The mids and highs are fine. They're clear. They're not muddy. The bass is just not as much as I prefer in a pair of headphones. Whereas let's say I've got them right here. The Q70Y were a little too much bass. These were a little too little. So something between these, if you got an easy ear, I want to know, because that's probably where I want to sit. But more than enough, more than passable for the average listener. If you're never someone that like has chosen earbuds based off, you know, sound quality, if you just want a pair of earbuds for function, you're gonna have no issue with these. Like I don't listen to these and go like, oh, like this is unlistenable. It's just not what I would prefer as far as a sound profile. With that being said, the pros of this unit, obviously battery readout, the ability to charge devices from the case, plenty of battery storage on backup. The comfort of the earbuds and the small profile I think are all great. Things I would change would be, let's get the input to USB-C and get caught up with the other earbuds. Let's change this flimsy plastic see-through cover to something a little bit more robust. I understand it has to be see-through to see the battery indicator, but we could probably do a little bit better than that. And let's make the sound quality a touch better. Let's get some more bass reinforcement. I'm sure that can be done considering they did it in their Q70Y fairly easily. But I have no problem recommending these. If the specific features that I talked about on here pertain to you, if those features are important, then this is a plenty fine pair to pick up, especially at, you know, the under $50 price range. You can't go wrong with these. And if you want to grab a set, there's going to be a link down in the description. You can buy through there and support the channel. You know, I love you for it. Thanks for supporting. And if you're not a subscriber, consider becoming one, because it helps the channel out. And I want to keep bringing you awesome tech reviews of earphones, earbuds, speakers, lights, DJ gear, camera stuff, whatever. If it interests me and it's something that I find useful, I'm going to share it with you. I'm on the search always for good Amazon products, and so when I find them, I like to share them on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video, subscribe, leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.